The future of technology, Apple Vision Pro, AI, cryptocurrency, autonomous driving, drones, cyborgs and androids. Apple recently unveiled its augmented reality headset, the Apple Vision Pro, at the Worldwide Developers Conference. One of the standout features is a front-facing display called EyeSight that shows the wearer's eyes, creating a unique and social experience in augmented worlds. Despite mixed reactions to its design, which has sparked parodies on social media, the device boasts impressive specs including 2 micro-OLED screens for true 4K resolution, custom built-in speakers, lidar space sensing, and dual onboard custom processors. While its actual performance and impact on the AR industry remain to be seen, the Apple Vision Pro is positioned as a potentially groundbreaking personal electronics device. Artificial intelligence, AI, cryptocurrency, autonomous driving, smart contracts, cyborgs and androids, genetic engineering, machine learning, and data storage are all aspects of the future of technology. These emerging technologies are changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI is being used in a wide range of applications, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants, and is expected to revolutionize many industries in the coming years. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. This has led to the development of machine learning algorithms that can analyze data to identify patterns and make predictions. For example, AI is being used in healthcare to analyze patient data and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI is being used to analyze market trends and make investment decisions. Another area where AI is making an impact is in the development of autonomous systems. Autonomous systems are machines that can operate without human intervention, such as self-driving cars, drones, and robots. These systems rely on AI to make decisions based on their environment, making them more efficient and safer than traditional human-operated systems. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or bank. Instead, they rely on a network of computers to verify transactions and maintain the integrity of the system. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its unique features and use cases. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages over traditional currencies, such as lower transaction fees, increased privacy, and faster transactions. Autonomous driving. Autonomous driving, also known as self-driving cars, is an emerging technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. Autonomous cars use a combination of sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate roads and make driving decisions. One of the most significant benefits of autonomous driving is its potential to reduce accidents and traffic congestion. Autonomous cars are less likely to make mistakes than human drivers, and they can communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow. This could lead to significant improvements in safety and mobility, particularly in urban areas. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that use blockchain technology to enforce the terms of an agreement. Smart contracts are designed to be transparent, secure, and tamper-proof, making them ideal for applications such as supply chain management and financial transactions. One of the most significant benefits of smart contracts is their ability to reduce the need for intermediaries, such as banks or lawyers. Smart contracts can automate many of the processes involved in a transaction, such as payment processing and document verification, reducing the time and cost of completing a transaction. However, there are several challenges to overcome before smart contracts become widespread. One of the most significant challenges is developing a standard for smart contract programming languages, as there are currently many different languages in use. Additionally, there are legal and regulatory issues to consider, such as the enforceability of smart contracts in different jurisdictions. Cyborgs and androids. Cyborgs and androids are fictional or hypothetical beings that combine human and machine components. Cyborgs typically have a human brain and other biological components, such as limbs or organs, that are augmented with technology. Androids, on the other hand, are fully synthetic beings that are designed to look and act like humans. While cyborgs and androids are still largely the stuff of science fiction, there are several real-world applications for these technologies. For example, prosthetic limbs are becoming increasingly advanced, with some models incorporating sensors and other technology to improve functionality. Additionally, robots are being developed that can perform tasks that are dangerous or difficult for humans, such as deep-sea exploration or space travel. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the process of manipulating genes to alter the characteristics of an organism. Genetic engineering has the potential to revolutionize many fields, such as medicine, agriculture, and energy production. For example, genetic engineering could be used to develop crops that are more resistant to pests and disease, or to develop new treatments for genetic diseases. However, there are several ethical and safety concerns associated with genetic engineering. For example, some critics argue that genetic engineering could be used to create designer babies with specific traits, leading to social inequality. Additionally, there are concerns about the long-term effects of genetic engineering on the environment and human health. Machine learning data storage. Machine learning data storage is an emerging technology that uses machine learning algorithms to optimize data storage and retrieval. Machine learning data storage systems can analyze data to identify patterns and make predictions, allowing them to optimize storage and retrieval based on usage patterns. One of the most significant benefits of machine learning data storage is its ability to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Machine learning data storage systems can identify data that is rarely accessed and move it to lower-cost storage options, such as tape or cloud storage. Additionally, machine learning data storage systems can optimize data retrieval, reducing the time and cost of accessing data. In conclusion, the future of technology is exciting and full of possibilities. Cryptocurrency, autonomous driving, data sharing options, smart contracts, cyborgs and androids, protection for shared links, document sharing, genetic engineering, machine learning, and data storage are all technologies that are changing the way we live and work. By embracing these technologies and addressing the challenges they present, we can create a better future for ourselves and future generations.